Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in the last video we talked about giving our subconscious mind a proper training, proper instructions so that our subconscious mind can work accordingly, can work according to how we want it to work. What are these instructions and how do we give instructions to our subconscious mind? So in this video we will talk about the exact language and the exact prayers that we need to do to reprogram our subconscious mind to be more confident, to be more outspoken. So once we improve ourselves subconsciously, once we improve the roots of our being, only then the effect will show in our day-to-day life. We will feel happier, we will feel more peaceful, and these changes will be brought about into our lives only when our subconscious mind has grasped the idea that we deserve to be happier, we deserve to be more peaceful, we deserve to have abundance into our life. वीडियो में हम लोग बात करेंगे कि कैसे अपने सबकॉन्शियस माइंड को रीप्रोग्राम करें. ये जो बुक है जो मैं अभी पढ़ रही हूँ, द पावर ऑफ योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड बाय जोसेफ मर्फी, उसमें उन्होंने यही लिखा है दैट यू कैन गिव एनी इंस्ट्रक्शन, एनी सजेशन टू योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड एंड योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड विल रिएक्ट टू इट, बिकॉज उसका अपना कुछ रीजनिंग पावर नहीं होता है. आप उसको जो बोलोगे, इनफैक्ट मैंने एक जगह पढ़ा भी था दैट वॉट एवर यू पुट इन फ्रंट ऑफ आई एम, यू बिकम दैट पर्सन. So we are continuously, if you are saying to yourself that I am weak, I am poor, I am not powerful enough, so आप जैसे इंस्ट्रक्शन अपने सबकॉन्शियस माइंड को दोगे repeatedly, you become that person. So today I will share with you my own suggestions जो मैं अपने मेडिटेशन में यूज़ करती हूँ. They are not many, just 4 या 5 ही है, and I think they are enough to completely change yourself from inside out. और ये जो 4 इंस्ट्रक्शंस हैं, सजेशंस हैं, whatever you call them, I think they are enough to provide you strength, to make you more peaceful, to have the confidence and the quality to achieve what you want to achieve in your life. So first one is, so what you have to do is you have to go into that relaxed state of mind first. You can do that while meditating, or if you don't like to meditate and you have just so many thoughts while you are meditating, you can just simply sit on your bed or on a chair and you can observe your breaths. It is also kind of meditation, but it is more like you're focusing on your breaths when you are breathing out and you're breathing in. Just try to focus on that much only, and it will automatically put you into that alpha state of mind which we need while programming our subconscious mind. So first one is, these are my 4 suggestions. I'm completely healed from all the emotional and physical wounds. I'm healthy and happy and peaceful. So I say this to myself for like 4 to 5 times during my meditation. I repeat it. I am completely healed from all the emotional and physical wounds. I'm healthy and happy and peaceful. Second one is, I forgive so and so person completely, and I understand that whatever they did was due to immaturity or ignorance. I pray happiness for them and the same for myself. This is for forgiveness. The third one is, I am the universe, I am the light, I am the whole. And the fourth and the most important one is, thank you universe. So after thank you, I think about things that I want to say thank you for. Like you can choose whatever you're grateful for in your life. So these are 4 suggestions that I am doing regularly. So these are my 4 suggestions, but you can have your own according to your needs. If you want something else in your life, if you want to change another perspective of your life, then you can change these suggestions. Keep them simple and use simple words for these suggestions. You don't want to complicate it too much. I think that this is a very helpful practice. It is not about meditation and it is not about the spiritual stuff. These are just general things, and I think that even if you're not spiritual, even if you don't believe in the universe, the soul or anything, if you just can relax yourself for like 10-20 minutes, it is more than enough for your personal growth. So I want you to take it in practical terms and not think about it as a spiritual woo-woo. If you don't believe in all of this stuff, this is the first step, I think, for towards your personal growth. And when you do this, you will eventually see that all these things actually work. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि everybody who has achieved something extraordinary in their life, they have somehow practiced all these principles. Maybe they don't know about it that they're doing it, but I think जिन्होंने कुछ अचीव किया है लाइफ में, they have gone deep into themselves and they have changed themselves by reprogramming their subconscious mind. So I'm doing this every day and मैं वही चीज़ें आप लोगों को बताती हूँ जो मैं खुद करती हूँ. I want you to try this as well, because I think that this is the most important thing that you will ever learn in your life, to reprogram your subconscious mind, to improve yourself physically and emotionally and intellectually and spiritually. So thank you for watching this video. Much love to you and happiness to you.